Civil society organizations observed Manipur's 71st Independence Day today. Imphal West Police arrest 3 suspects in connection with the Kakwa Naurim Laikai bomb blast that occurred yesterday. Brigadier of People Liberation Army, PLA and 68 cadres of 6 different underground outfits of Manipur surrendered along with their arms to the state government today. And Home Guards continue their protest against non-payment of actual pay scale by the government. 5 Home Guard personnel currently on relay hunger strike. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Various civil society organizations observed Manipur's 71st Independence Day from the British rule today. Coalition for Indigenous Right campaign, Sirkar organized an event to make the observance at Manipur Palace, which was participated by various civil society organizations and students' union. Sirkar announced its intention of starting a campaign named as Yakai Kongjang to let Manipur retain its pre-merger political status at the Independence Day observation today. Spokesperson of Sirkar, Ningthaucha Lancha, told Impact News that a campaign against the suppression of Manipur's culture under the influence of foreign cultures, spiritual and cultural colonization, etc. will also be initiated. The state government also demanded to declare August 14 every year to be observed as Manipur's Independence Day. Sirkar initiated observance of Manipur's Independence Day for namesake at the palace since 2016, as it strongly believes that making the people aware of the history of Manipur associated with August 14, 1947 to be the only means of ending any issues in the state. Manipur's titular King Laishem Basana Jauba hoisted the maroon Pik-Ruk-colored flag today at the observance, which was also hoisted in history by the King of Manipur, Maidingu Bodhachandra, on 14th of August 1947. Sirkar has been conducting various programs and discussions since 2015 on issues related to incidents that occurred in Manipur's history between 1947 to 1949 after the British left Manipur. Sirkar strongly believes that the present scenario of communal hatred in Manipur, forced implementation of AFSPA, influx of non-indigenous people and taking away of indigenous people's rights by outsiders are the consequences of being ruled by others, and it can only be rectified only when Manipur retains its pre-merger political status.
Pre-merger political status as Hanjina Guidamata, Aikoina, Tasenama, October Gitang, Tara Nipan Pauboda, September Gitang, Kumnatoi, merger agreement, Okibanumit, National Repentance Day, October Gitang Tramanga, Black Day, merger agreement, Aduga, Tasenama, October Gitang, Tara Nipan Manipur Legislative Assembly, Linkakiba Numit Paubose, Aikoina, Yakai Kongjang Haidana, Aikoina, Miam, the Kundaleka, the Salakan, and Nainaba Kongjang Sanjan Jagani, Haibu Kongjang Asikitanka, Amoina, spiritual and cultural decolonization, Haibadi Mapangi Sapu Kayana, Hojik Hojimak, Raki Punbagi, Natraka, Akwiki cultural, Natraka political institution Kiada, cultural colonized or Iba Samasi Natok Naba decolonized Tonova, Kongjang Amasu, Akoi Chanchin Ba Hojaragani, Loinana, Ahum Subada, Manipurgi government, Nasidagi, Tasenamak, Chahi Kudingi, August 14 Bu, Manipurgi Ning Tamba Numit, Haina Sakanga Dabani, Madi Laukoka Dabani, Havis Nangasigi Maru, Pandam Tamjarakanda, August 14 is a Pang Tok 7.
International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA observed the occasion at Manipur University today. Konthaujam MLA Sapam Ranjan publishing a book entitled Firal, written by Kuraijam Athoba, was the highlight of the event. The book contains details of flags used by our forefathers. Dean of Manipur University Students' Welfare, Professor W. Nabukumar, President of UCM, Elangbam Johnson, President of IPSA, Chingkai Luangcha, and many others attended the event. Lumphil's supermarket shops and street vendors welfare association also observed the occasion at its office. President of the association, Laihautabam Subas, hoisted a 7th colored flag of Manipur on the occasion. Customs and Traditional Observation Committee for the 25th time organized an event to observe Manipur's Independence Day from the British ruled at Rup Mahal Theatre in Imphal today. The 7-colored flag of Manipur was hoisted at the event. Flags used by kings of Manipur were also displayed at the event. Legislative Assembly Speaker Y. Khemchand, Imphal Municipal Corporation Mayor L. Lokeshwar and many others attended the program, which was highlighted by traditional dances and music. Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur PPCM also observed the occasion at the palace ground today. The ceremony began with the unfurling of Manipur flag. Titular King Sanajauba, former Minister R.V. Mingting, former MLA D. Atuibo, Chairman of PPCM Observation Committee P.H. Deban, and members of various civil society organizations took part in the event. Both elderly persons and the young also took part in the event. PPCM presented a memento to the titular king on the occasion. Desam Bishnupur district organized various programs by hoisting the Pakhangba flag at Bishnupur Bazaar and CI College to observe the occasion. Coalition for Indigenous Right campaign Manipur, along with United Women Organization Ningthaukong and Ningthaukong Kaitel women vendors, observed the occasion too. Brigadier of People Liberation Army PLA and 68 cadres of 6 different underground outfits of Manipur surrendered along with their arms to the state government today. Speaking at the reception ceremony, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren assured for the welfare and rights for the surrendered cadres. The surrendered cadres include 17 UNLF cadres, 7 PLA cadres, 10 Pre-Park cadres, 4 KYKL cadres, 7 Pre-Park Pro cadres and 23 KCP cadres. Cabinet Ministers, MLAs, Chief Secretary, DGP, IGR South, IGCRP and various police and civil officers took part in the homecoming ceremony held at the banquet hall of 1st Manipur Rifle. The Chief Minister further said the new BJP government has come up with a new surrender policy since the previous government's surrender policy is not in sync with the present scenario. The new policy has been forwarded to Union Ministry of Home Affairs and their approval is being awaited. Biren is optimistic that the new policy will be approved. He also said, without looking for whether the centre's approval, the state government will put its best efforts to ensure the welfare of the surrender cadres.
Yumda lakpiraba sumaina homecoming oina lakpiraba mayam gidamakta khoi policy khara khoi semaga hana leirame adu hana leiramiba policy do prithvi gi hongaiba bharat ki hongaiba madi manipur gi hongaiba phibong go chana dabudagi khoi gi sarkar se hek lakchabaga ikui kuidane khoi policy do khoi review tawrakanda anuba mai khoi na seme Union Ministry of Home Affairs ta tharaga madugi makhoi gi approval ngairaga leye center na su soidina yarakani haibagi thajaba lei adu marakta center dagi yarai natraga yarakti haibagi Madugi gap, Madugi awab lehendana. State government na, ekogi lejaba potu torokanda, lakpiriwa mayambo, tek tekaidana, awana nangandana, ningtina, ngak senduna thamba, leidiba, miyoiba mada pangbam thokpa, khudong sabasing, madu ekogi sarkar sinapina ba hona ba haibase, ngasigi sarkar sigi amata ngairbo wakhaloni haibado ingasi mayamdai thamjage.
2 AK rifles, 1 M16, 1 lathered gun, 1.22 pistol and 1.38 pistol which were recovered from the militants have been verified. Police have confirmed that there are many other weapons which are yet to be verified. The surrendered militants include a brigadier of PLA, a major of UNLF and corporals, lance corporals, captains and sergeants of many other militant outfits. There are 4 female cadres out of the 68. Mitai Marut Mitai Laipak Wangkai Thangabat organized a program to mark the 129th birth anniversary of Lining Hull Nauria Pulo at Mitai Shanglin Thambal Khong today. People paid floral tribute to the portrait of Lining Hull Nauria Pulo at the event. Chief guest of the event, MLA of Yashkul constituency, MLA Thoktom Satyabartha, hoisted 7th colored flag amidst attendees. Lining Hull Nauria Pulo was remembered with much appreciation as someone who has contributed a lot in preserving the identity of Meitei society by promoting and reviving its cultures and traditions. President of Indian Sports Sangh Manipur chapter, Koijam Ramakrishna, has stated that the Sangh aims at preserving the indigenous games of the state. Speaking to media persons at Thau Ground in Thangmeiban today, Ramakrishna maintained that Manipur is a sports powerhouse. It has produced many medalists in the national and international level. We must not forget the contributions of various associations and organizations of the state in reaching this level. Indian Sports Sangh Manipur chapter will try to establish cordial relationship between sportsperson, associations, organizations and BJP Manipur Sports Cell. Ramakrishna said, as a first step, the Sangh will discuss with the experts on how to preserve the indigenous games like Sangol Kangchai, Mukna, Yubi Lakpi, etc. Executive members and officials of Indian Sports Sangh Manipur chapter will present at the press meet.
August ki tarikh 28 da akhoi re-establish tawduna India Sports Sangha ki president khan bagi program am pangthokre madu ki tungoi bada akhoi ki management ki amdi administration ki office bearer sing khan bagi program ase matam ngai duna lerakpani sangha na akhoi na promote tawdab jaus ki indigenous game sida akhoi na yubi lakpi adagi sagol kangjai
The 10th state-level Manipur Pineapple Festival will be held from the 25th to 26th of this month at Kausabung in Churachandpur district. Manipur Pineapple Festival Committee is organizing the event on the occasion of the 70 years of pineapple plantation in Manipur. Pineapple Queen contest will be held at the event and farmers will be awarded as well. Time for a small commercial break. We'll be back with more news updates. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the break and you're watching Primetime English News. A team of all Manipur Private Schools Welfare Association met the governor today and discussed the Manipur Private School Registration and Regulation Bill 2017. Imphal West Police has arrested 3 suspects of the Kakwa Naurim Laikai bomb blast that occurred yesterday. They have been identified as Sapam Nanda, also known as Maker, 50 years, son of Esana Tomba, a resident of Basikong Torban, Pipa Yaima Maring, 29 years, son of B. Angfung, a resident of Kangkoi Kulin, and Thingbaijam Sanjoy, 35 years, son of Th. Dronjit, a resident of Kakwa Naurim Laikai. Bomb-making materials like 81 gallatin sticks, 500 grams of 2 TNT cases, 6 circuits, a remote control device, 3 mobile phones and 5 SIM cards that were used to make the bomb were recovered from them. Speaking to media persons at the conference hall of Imphal West SP today, SP Temteng Ngashangba said, upon receiving news about the blast yesterday, a team of Imphal West led by DSP Amit and OC Atoba under the supervision of SP Imphal West conducted massive search and raids at different places to nab the perpetrators. Sapam Nanda, a pre-pack cadre, was apprehended during the search. Upon interrogation, he revealed the name of other 2 persons involved. They confessed that they have assembled the IED in the morning of August 13 and planted it around 7 a.m. It may be recalled that the bomb exploded at Kakwa Naurim Laikai yesterday morning amid tight security measures taken by the police in view of Independence Day celebrations in the state. However, the blast caused no casualty. On the other hand, a team of Imphal West Police arrested 2 KRA cadres from Sangai Thel Tunnel number 12 on the 12th of this month. They have been identified as Ngamboy Haukip alias Raju, 37 years, son of late Daumang Haukip, a resident of Loinol, Kunau Wairoiching, and Sainyo Kongsai, 32 years, son of Kaikam Kongsai, a resident of Pangmol village in Senapati. A 9mm pistol and 9 live rounds were recovered from these 2 self-styled commandant. A case has been registered.
Patriots Day away, because full alert with the labor. Do I army samurai for a shoot to area to patrolling to them. In view of the Independence Day celebration, information interrogation sustained interrogation gelatin stick about 81 numbers. Recovered over circuit tissue, different types of circuits. So about 6 circuit tissue remote control which are on display. So it's a huge quantity.
In a run-up to the Independence Day, Manipur police arrested a KCP MC cadre along with a weapon during cordon and search operation. The arrested cadre is identified as Laikram Bidya Sagar, 27 years, son of Bijoy of Takhel Mayai Laikai, under Lamlai Police Station. The team led by DSP CDO Robinson Kamnam, DSP Operation RK Saklemba, CDO OC Lulthang Wi-Fi, under the supervision of additional SP Operation Imphal East District Police, M. Kumarjit, conducted the search operation. A Smith & Wesson 9mm pistol and 8 bullets were seized from him. Vidyasagar joined the outfit in April 2017 through self-styled chairman Chinkai. "13 AR arrested, 9 NSC and IM cadres before Independence Day at Inrailong village, 4 kilometers away from Tamenglong police station around 5 a.m. this morning. An AK-47 rifle was also seized from the arrested cadres. The local people have called a total shutdown demanding release of the cadres in Tamenglong. There is no news of any untoward incidents as of now. Home Guards are continuing their protest against non-payment of actual pay scale by the government. 5 Home Guard personnel are currently carrying out a relay hunger strike at their office in Lamfelpat. El Shanti, who was a part of the hunger strike, was taken to RIMS yesterday after her health deteriorated. President of Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association, Y. Mangi, maintained that the Supreme Court had ordered the increase of pay scale 2 years ago. Home Guards in other states received the same pay scales as police constables. State government has not paid any heed to the issue. Chief Minister and other government officials have been kept in the loop regarding the issue as well. Mangi expressed dissatisfaction over the statements of the Chief Minister Nongthombam Birain in the Assembly recently that there are no funds to increase the pay scale of the Home Guards. Mangi maintained that there is no relationship between state funds and increase of Home Guards pay scale. The funds are supposed to be sanctioned by the union government. He came down heavily on the state government for maintaining silence over the matter. Home Guards also served the state.
August ki tarikh taba wari paduna haigi base August ki tranga bahogi manungda Manipur sarkar na Home Guard na taliba demand se fulfill we helbiu haibin. Madu fulfill we drabadi karamba makalgi agitation strategy emo hongaga August ki tang kundagi amu haugani haigibani. Bharat sarkar na pigro haiba moina haiba chithi edo Manipur sarkar na amuk piro no Home Guard ki paisa piro reimburse tawbiro ahen ba paisa da haiba da yaraktabal leirabara 2015 gi 4/6 da irakhiba chithi edu gi matungina Manipur sarkar gi Home Department na ministry da kari haigiba leire madui pakhum kari no Home Guard mayam da khangan biro.
Progressive Farmer Society, Thayong, under the sponsorship of social worker Mongjam Poire Hanba, organized the 4th Thayong Pineapple Festival today. More than 20 stalls were opened at the festival. Speaking on the occasion, Mongjam Poire Hanba maintained that Thayong village under Lamlai Assembly constituency produces only pineapples. However, due to deplorable roads and lack of market, the fruit is being wasted. He said the festival is being celebrated every year to promote and improve the production of the fruit. Poire Hanba said it is time for the concerned authorities to give more emphasis in finding ways to preserve and improve the income of pineapple growers. Pradhan of Telojana Gram Panchayat M. Dinesh, Chiefment of Thayong M. Dulamthang, and many others attended the festival, which was highlighted by the traditional dances and music.
Pineapple namaru ina thokpa mafam asida akoi pineapple ase akoi gi sahi khuding gi
ꯌꯣꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯂꯣꯠꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯤꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯂꯣꯠꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯃꯥꯡꯕ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯊꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯃꯜꯂꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯅꯦꯄꯜ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯅꯦꯄꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯗꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯖꯨꯁ ꯁꯦꯝꯅꯕ ꯃꯦꯆꯤꯟꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯝꯃꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯠꯇꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯣꯟꯕꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯖꯨꯁ ꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯇ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯏꯟꯀꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯔꯤꯔꯛ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯄꯥꯏꯅꯦꯄꯜ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
People of Iram Sifai Awang Laikai in Ward Number 9 under Wangoi constituency have complained that 8 months quota for the rice under the National Food Security Act are not yet distributed to its beneficiaries. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club this afternoon, Auditor of Women Development Association, Maibam Debala said when a complaint was met to the Deputy Commissioner regarding the non-distribution of the rice after being ignored by the agents, they were told that the rice have been already withdrawn. However, beneficiaries have not received rice for September last year till July this year. Debla said apart from the rice distribution of 4 kg each of rice to the beneficiaries without informing them for which month's quota it was this year, there is no other distribution. She also complained that rice were distributed to non-NFSA card holders who have produced piece of paper with their names on it. The concerned authority is being appealed to look into the matter at the earliest.
ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯌꯦꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯥꯠ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯌꯦꯟꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯦꯁꯇꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯉꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯗꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯥꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯤ 7 ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ 9 ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ 3 ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯕꯨ ꯃꯤ 5 ꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯀꯛꯅꯕꯤ ꯄꯤꯅꯔꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯅꯤꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯪꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯪꯗꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯝꯑꯦꯜꯑꯦꯅ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯌꯦꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯦ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯕꯦꯈꯥꯏ 90 ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯀꯦꯖꯤꯗ 35 ꯌꯣꯜꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯝꯑꯦꯜꯑꯦꯅꯣ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯤ ꯃꯄꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯋꯥꯠ ꯑꯄꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯥꯡꯉꯒ ꯂꯩꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯣ.
A one-day awareness program on cybercrime and youths and vector-borne diseases prone in Moreh was held at Science Block, Moreh College today. The awareness program was conducted as a part of National Service Scheme Special Camp 2017. As DPO of Moreh Police, Lawrence K. Munlo spoke on cybercrime and youths, while second MO in charge of Moreh Hospital, Dr. S. Kumar Singh, spoke about vector-borne diseases prone in Moreh on the occasion. Lawrence enlightened the college students on how to protect themselves and fight crime. Dr. Kumar educated them on how to prevent vector-borne diseases. The dead body of Siddharth Moirangthim, son of former Minister Moirangthim Okendro, arrived in Imphal today. The body was taken to his residence at Hairok for the final rites. Congress leader Okrami Bobi and his wife Landhoni, former Congress ministers, MLAs and people of Hairok waited at the airport with tears. It may be recalled that Siddharth Moirangthim, the 18-year-old son of former Education Minister Moirangthim Okendro, died in an unfortunate incident at Hoskas in Delhi. Sources said he died after falling from the second-floor apartment. He was a student of BA first year. Unconfirmed reports suggest that the incident took place at the restaurant. Another report said he was pushed from a building. Meanwhile, Congress President Sonia Gandhi condoled the dead. She has assured of all her support in finding out the truth behind the incident. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah has greeted the people of the state on the eve of the 71st Independence Day. In her message, the governor reminded that we did not get freedom on a platter and that we should be thankful to our brave forefathers whose love for their motherland and sacrifices made it possible. The governor also greeted the people on the sacred occasion of Krishna Janmashtami. She said the festival celebrates the birth of Lord Krishna. She appealed the people to remind ourselves of the teachings of Lord Krishna and propagate love and affection for all. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren will speak to the people of Manipur on the occasion of 71st Independence Day tomorrow. It will be aired on All India Radio AIR Imphal and All India Radio AIR Churachandpur at 6:40 a.m. tomorrow and DDK Imphal at 9 a.m. with a repeat telecast at 7 p.m. The second state-level seminar on the books of Nauria Pulo was held at State Guest House, Sanjantong, organized by Lining Han Nauria Pulo Memorial Charitable Trust. Moirang MLA P. Sarachandra Luching Ahan Nauria Amusana of Ahan 12 Apok Pamarub Haunasang Assam, Director of Language Planning and Implementation Dr. L. Mahabir, and advisor of all Manipur recognized private schools Welfare Association and Tomba were present at the event. Professor E. Dinamani, Dr. K. H. Gokul Chandra, Dr. S. Lanchen Bamitai and Lashram Piran presented paper at the seminar, which was graced by Professor Lokindro Arambam as chief guest.
Future Ijan labor Samajama, Maitaki Samajama, Madugi Lehenda Bohonabada, a Choba diet the Logose, Masik Tabaximatandi, Sumle left the Chataviraga, Ababa Manipur, Amasung, Ababa, Equi Maitraba, Aduga, Papan Lamdaliba, Bangladesh the Oceano, Myanmar the Oceano, Assam the Oceano, Lady by Quigi Chilin housing Mayam sing a cigar question. Say he couldn't get put in Narakanda, Ishorgi Magun Chel, when he passed in a quite a pyramid powder. Masung Takiramba, Masek, Napnasalaga, Apava Manipurama, Apava Maitraba, among Sumaiti, Kamlupama Purpamo, Eresano.
Longjam Akash Sini, wife of Longjam Jugeshwar, resident of Singjamai Maying Bamlaikai, provided edible items to children home Tera Bazaar today. 2 bags of rice, 1 bag of potatoes, pulses, onions, garlic, edible oil, and other edible items were provided. Two-day North, East and Southern Writers' Meet concluded at Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh today. On the opening day yesterday, Buddhi Chandra Haishnam recited poems in Manipuri and English. Dr. K. Shantibala recited a poem, The Last Day So, on the closing day today. M. Kandesh read out the short story at the event. Dr. K. H. Kunjo was the moderator of the Contemporary Literary Trend session. Social worker Thongam Sandi handed over handloom items to Moirang Oksangbong Laikai Weavers Handloom and Handicraft Cooperative Society Limited, organized by Moirang Kendra Progressive Front at Moirang Oksangbong Mandap in Bishnupur district. She distributed weaving and sewing items including machine, threads and fibers on the occasion. And now the sports news. Nesu Kurai beat their rival in Moirangthem Ibobi Memorial First Division Football League tournament. In a 10th league match played today at ABA Playground, Nesu Kurai dropped Priya Kundrakpam 9-1 for the winners. M. Somokanta netted 3 goals in the 1964 and 77 minutes of the match, while David and T. Dexant netted 2 goals each in the 16th, 47, 28 and 39th minutes respectively, while M. Rabichandra and S. Krishnakanta netted 1 goal each in the 9th and 36th minutes of the match. The lone goal of the losing team was netted by Sana Chauba in the 41st minute of the match. 8 teams are taking part in the First Divisional Football League organized under the aegis of Imphal East District Football Association. Ishu Wangkai will meet ABA Ketrigao in the 11th league match on 16th of this month. SAK Yumnam Kuno and RAU Laiging Bamlaikai beat your rivals in the Maharaj Kumar Ghanendrajit Memorial Super Division Football League tournament today. In the 51st league match played at ABA Ketrigao today, SAK Yumnam Kuno thrashed SSC Porumpad A2. For the winners, Sankar scored in the 6th, 28th and 45th minutes of the match, while TH Aboy netted in the 4th and 9th minute. M. Romi as Bitam Kumar and H. Bikram netted in the 13th, 18th and 73rd minutes of the match respectively. For the losers, Mocha and Jingharing netted in the 24th and 84th minutes of the match. In the 52nd league match of the tournament played today, RAU Laidagingbam Laikai Tres Nipso Kaibi 3-0. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Civil society organizations observed Manipur's 71st Independence Day today. Imphal West police arrest 3 suspects in connection with the Kakwa Naurim Laikai bomb blast that occurred yesterday. Brigadier of People Liberation Army PLA and 68 cadres of 6 different underground outfits of Manipur surrendered along with their arms to the state government today. And Home Guards continued the protest against non-payment of actual pay scale by the government. 5 Home Guards personnel currently on relay hunger strike.